Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I'd like to share with you some of my favorite free online tools for stock and options investors and traders. Yeah, I understand that not everybody has a lot of money to spend on trading tools and research tools and charting tools, things like that. And so I found some that are free, at least today they're free. As of August 8th, 2016. These are free of charge to use. Some of these sites might also have uh, a paid plan as well as a free plan. So I'm going to show you what's available for free, and it's up to you if you'd like to use the free plan or the pay plan for these. Also, I cannot vouch for the accuracy of the information from these websites. I cannot guarantee that these tools are accurate as far as the information goes. So please do your own research, do your own due diligence. All right, so on to the free tools. My favorite one by far is good old stockcharts.com. And be able to see all of the website addresses here on the address bar. Yeah, um, I like this one a lot. And it has, of course, stock charts, as you might expect, but you can get pretty fancy. Now they have I'm guessing paid plan. It says start your free 10-day trial. So I guess they're trying to get you to join some sort of paid charting, membership type of thing. But so far, I've just used the free ones, and they're more than enough for me. I don't like to clutter my screen with too many indicators anyway. I like to keep it simple and uncluttered. But yeah, I like day averages, and uh, stockcharts.com allows for those. I like to use the Bollinger Bands. Stockcharts.com has that. I use the RSI. It's on there if you want it. You can put all kinds of cool stuff on there. You've got, you got your Keltner channels, your stochastics, MACD, all that good stuff, and tons more. And I'm not recommending that you use all of them at once, but whatever your preference is, it's probably going to be on here. So that's the first one that I like a lot. So you might have your charting purposes, and your probably has its own charting app or software, and that's cool too. Another great charting tool that's free and online is TradingView.com. TradingView.com, and that's got all kinds of cool charting options and choices. You can make a watch list like I've done here, and then I'll show you an example of an actual chart. Here it is. The market's closed right now. It's after hours, but if you put up a chart during the trading day, you can actually see the candles being formed, um, and which is pretty cool. So yeah, I like this one a lot. You can use this in addition to stockcharts.com or as an alternative to that. All right, now what if you're looking for a stock screener? Uh, I don't necessarily recommend stock screeners for all situations and for all traders and investors, but if you like to use them, Finviz, Finviz.com, and I guess that stands for Financial Visualizations, Finviz. And this is a comprehensive website. It has a stock screener. You would click on screener. But before we look at that, it has a heat map where you can see what's green and what's red. Like here, the utilities are not doing too well on this particular trading day. Just about everything else is doing well, as you can see. It's got the top losers and top gainers of the day, unusual volume, new high, overbought, oversold, most volatile, most active, and so much more. And you can also check out the futures. The S&P 500 futures right now are slightly green or just about flat. Everything's slightly up, but not much. All right, so let's take a look at the screener and see what that's all about. You would just click on screener on finviz.com, and it's got all kinds of different ways you can narrow it down. Right now it's showing just about everything. Oop, and up there. That's to be expected. All right, and you can filter by factors here, target price, dividend. You can search for a particular sector. You've got fundamental factors from PE ratio to return on equity or insider transactions, institutional ownership, earnings per share, so on and so forth. Technical factors, all kinds. Take a look at some of the technical factors you can screen for. Yeah, whether it's how it compares to the 50-day moving average, below, percentage above, 200-day moving average, volatility, how it compares to the RSI 14, 52-week highs and lows. A lot of people like to look for that. Average true range, beta, so on and so forth. So it's a pretty robust stock screener. Again, I cannot vouch for the accuracy of any of these websites, but pretty impressive considering that it's free right now. So that's Finviz. All right, and you've got another screener on Zacks.com, Z-A-C-K-S. Before we look at we can look at some of the other tools that Zacks has. I like this one, upgrades and downgrades. You can look at those all in chart there. Okay, but it has tells you earnings releases, and it's got additional stuff, but it has screeners as well. You can check those out for free. At least right now they're free. And all kinds of different screeners, value, growth, momentum, so on and so forth. And finally, Morningstar.com. Morningstar, a website with all kinds of free stuff on it. It's got a column with the news items, and you can look at the overall market. But if you go down a little bit, you can see it has upcoming earnings and data releases. Okay, it's got the gainers, top losers, that kind of thing. Which stocks are the most active? If you go down a little bit more, yep, stock screener. Okay, your basic and your premium. I don't know, but I'm guessing they probably might want you to pay for the premium one. Mutual fund screeners, stock screeners, stock calculators, or rather savings calculators, bond calculators, all kinds of cool stuff here. So that's Morningstar. And those are a few of my tools there to use. All right, so there's really no excuse. There's no reason not to do your due diligence, not to do your research, when there are all these tools and more. I mean, those are just my favorite ones. If you look on Google or your favorite search engine, you can find more free stock tools and screeners. But beware, be careful. Some things are free for a reason. Maybe they're not all that valuable. But the ones I gave you today, I personally find them to be valuable and quite useful, in addition to the tools that my brokers allow me to use. All right, so if you'd like some help with this, finding more tools, more information, or if you'd like to put together a trading plan for your personal investment needs or trading needs, I can certainly assist you with that. My name is David Modell, and it's spelled, last name is M-O-A-D-E-L. And you can contact me by email anytime at davidmodell@gmail.com. And if you found this video to be useful or helpful, if you liked it, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to come up with new content. So if you'd like to leave comments, letting me know that you like the video or what you'd like to see in future videos, I'll be glad to assist you. All right, so thanks a lot, and I hope to hear from you sometime soon.